Bueno, les voy a presentar el sitio web de Google Arts and Culture. Es un sitio especializado en obras de arte. En este caso vamos a darle aquí a explorar. Aquí tengo la pantalla de explorar. Aquí está lo que es videos 360. Aquí, como vemos, podemos explorar en pues muchos temas de interés que nos pueden servir como esparcimiento para pues explorar algo de arte. Aquí en este caso vamos a dar videos 360. Aquí en videos 360 vamos a ir a este video. Aquí vemos que hay pues muchos videos. Aquí vamos a ver este primer video. Es algo de realidad virtual con una combinación de videos en 360 grados. Vamos aquí a entrar al video y vamos a observar. Aquí podemos cambiar los subtítulos. Observemos. Es una combinación.
Welcome to the world-renowned Museum für Naturkunde in Berlin. You are now standing in the Dinosaur Hall. Look around. In Jurassic times, these all shared the same ecosystem. The sauropods evolved necks of varying lengths so that they could feed on vegetation at different heights. The very top branches were only accessible to one of the tallest dinosaurs that ever lived, Giraffa titan. It would have dwarfed even the largest animals that live on land today. To maintain its huge size, it ate all day, every day, always on the lookout for its next meal. Over time, Giraffa titan disappeared from the Jurassic landscape. It became extinct 145 million years ago. Where Giraffa titan once lived, now another gentle giant feeds on the treetops. The giraffe. No relation. It just so happens that both evolved long necks to make the most of their environment. But giraffes are in danger of becoming extinct much more quickly than Giraffa titan. More than a third have disappeared in the last 30 years. And it doesn't end there. Human activity impacts on the entire savanna ecosystem. Some scientists believe that species are becoming extinct 1,000 times faster because of us. If we don't change our lifestyles and respect our ecosystem, one day our grandchildren might only be able to see many of these animals in museums. But if each and every one of us chooses to learn from the past, we can help to preserve the amazing diversity of life on our planet for the future.
Bueno, aquí podemos traducir también al español. Hace un momento no lo traduje, pero aquí pues podemos ver varios eh, videos que podrían ser de nuestro interés, incluso pueden ser educativos también. Y para uno mismo, lejos de la educación, por así decirlo, pues nos pueden recrear un poco nuestra curiosidad, visitar más acerca de, o conocer más acerca de otros, eh, en otros contextos. Aquí vamos a ver qué es este video. Vamos a traducir sus subtítulos.
A new dinosaur is coming to the halls of the American Museum of Natural History. This titanosaur is a really huge animal. It's over 120 feet long.
Voy a regresar para que lo observen desde el principio y a traducir.
A new dinosaur is coming to the halls of the American Museum of Natural History. This titanosaur is a really huge animal. It's over 120 feet long. It lived in what's now present-day Argentina about 100 million years ago. The last 20 years have really been the new golden age of dinosaur discovery. New kinds of animals have been found all over the world, in Africa and Asia and Patagonia, and this is just one of the latest ones. A couple of years ago, one of my ex-graduate students, Diego Pol, sent me an email saying that a farmer near Galeo in Patagonia had found an amazing dinosaur, one of the largest land animals ever to live. Over the next couple of years, they extracted the specimen from the rocks at the ranch.
We went down to Argentina and we 3D scanned all the bones in the field and in the lab. We had the whole skeleton completely digitized in 4 weeks. We took the data and then we carved the bones out of slabs of foam with our 5-axis milling machine. We molded all the elements once they're carved up, and then we have a complete copy of the skeleton. And from there, we can cast all the elements out of fiberglass. And then the cast gets mounted.
When you're trying to determine the mass, the weight of an animal this big, it's pretty tough. A good example of that is if you pick up a puppy, it's pretty heavy compared to picking up a bird, a chicken that's about the same size. That's because their bones are constructed very differently. The bones of this titanosaur were, while not hollow, they were what we call cancellous. So they had lots of little tiny air pockets all through them, like a piece of styrofoam. So the bones themselves would be very, very, very light. That's the only way an animal like this could get so big. We chose to display this animal now because it represents one of the newest big dinosaurs that's been found anywhere in the world. We have some tremendous things here. We have the blue whale, we have the Tyrannosaurus rex, we have the Barosaurus, and now we're going to have the Titanosaur.
Aquí, bueno, pues observamos otro video de 360. El Museo de Arte de Estados Unidos. Aquí podemos ver otros sitios de nuestro interés, bueno, no sitios, más bien presentaciones de todos estos videos. Muchas gracias por su atención.